OLESYA KWITE. Welcome to our channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want, of course. If not, please write in comments below a reason why you don't want to do it, and I hope that I can make this channel more interesting, more helpful, and more amazing for you guys. And let's get started this video. So guys, it's currently Sunday. It's 10 minutes past 9 p.m. yeah, and today in the evening I want to film new video for you. I want to share with you how I plan my week every Sunday. It helps me to stay organized during the week, and that's why right now I want to share with you everything that I do. So there I have my different notebooks, to-do lists, and of course I use my notebook because I really like electronic stuff, but not as much as I love this one. First of all, I plan in my Google Calendar, then I write to-do list for tomorrow, then I check some kind of video ideas and all the stuff like this in my bullet journal to put it to my computer. Then I check my social studies, then I check this kind of notebook, and then I write a plan for tomorrow, and I guess that all. And of course I forget to tell you that I plan my meals and exercises. And yeah, let's get started this video. First of all, we're gonna start from Google Calendars. So let's go and let's do it with me. You see my week in Google Calendar, so you can see today is Sunday 11th, tomorrow is Monday 12th, it's logically, and there I have my calendars. For example, blue one is readers, like kind of pink one, birthday calendar, this film new reader, new language, reminders, social studies and stuff like this. So there I have all the stuff that I need to do tomorrow. For example, also I plan there my workout. For example, tomorrow I should do leg workout, on Tuesday I should do abs workout, on Wednesday I should do yoga and stuff like this. Also I write what video I should upload, what video I should film, what video I should edit, and all the stuff that is connected with my videos. And yeah, that's all that I plan there actually. And right now I gonna write to-do list for tomorrow and my plan for tomorrow. So let's do it together. I have one to-do list and one notebook. Workout. I like to plan it on Sunday and be ready for the week. And right now I'm just gonna write it on the usual white sheet. Remember, I told you that I have a very important event. This event is my parents' anniversary, and right now I'm gonna plan it about food and all the stuff like this. I have actually small kind of plan, but right now we're gonna put it on this kind of sheet what I should do this week for this kind of event. And yeah, let's do it with me. weekly workout planning. So on Monday I'm gonna have leg workout, workout. There I write like from where I gonna take it, and it's gonna be like workout from Sunny Blood workout sessions in the gym. On Tuesday I have abs workout from Romy Stretched channel in the gym. Wednesday I'm gonna have yoga in the gym, and I wrote the time that I'm gonna have it at 9 AM. On Thursday I'm gonna have morning running without Ella because she can't do it right now, so I should get up a bit earlier and run before I have to go for a walk with my dog. And on Friday I'm gonna cycling in the morning, like cardio before the beginning of the day. And I don't know why and what for, but usually I write this OLESYA KWITE and my sign. It's beautiful, it's perfect. Okay. Then I want to share with you my parents' anniversary to-do list. So you can see it's like interesting. There 1 week before the day of the anniversary and the day before. 1 week before I should end up with decor, end up with presents, find cake decor, buy everything for cake, buy balloons, find music, ask everyone to say great words about my parents, so I'm gonna put it in maybe a video or maybe something like this. The day before I should cook cake and poem, clean camera and check everything, like is it great or should I again stop sleeping. Yeah, and all the time before every kind of holiday event I don't sleep the night, and I'm like, I'm ready for today's event. But yeah, the day of anniversary, decorate room, cook fish, upload video, buy flower. I'm gonna plan my meals, yeah, and just write what I'm gonna have on breakfast on Monday, on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Wrote for Monday and Tuesday, and it's pretty simple, but I really like it still. So breakfast is all the time I have oats with berries and with tea, with a cup of tea. On lunch I always have salad, but different salads with soup, either soups. On the dinner I usually have some kind of piece of fish or piece of piece of chicken or piece of meat with, I don't know, with the rice or with some vegetables. So yeah, that's all that I plan. And the last thing that I do, it's like not planning, but I think partly planning, I clean the memory and my SD card from cameras and my phone. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video, for clicking on it, and I really love you, and thank you that you decided to watch this video till the end. I really appreciate it and I really love you. I can say it all the time, and yeah, that's the way how I plan my week every Sunday. So that's all for today, and I love you very much, and see you in the next video. Bye!